everyone!
Hi!
Today I'm going to show you a surprise.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
First, we have to close our eyes.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow, what is that?
It is one of my fun fair rides where you sit and you write inside this.
Oh wow, that is interesting.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how to create that?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, I took a kid motor
Okay.
and an axle.
Yes.
I gave some height to it with some bottle caps.
Yeah.
You can give the height however you want in your way.
Okay.
And you can see this axle.
Yeah.
You put it inside the gain motor's little hole.
Okay.
And when you on the switch, the gain motor's axle moves.
Oh, so the axle attached to it moves.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, even the seats moves. So
Okay.
if we
Can you just tell me about how to create this upper structure?
yeah.
First, how do I make this?
You can cut out the shape from cardboard. Any cardboard you like, you can cut out.
Okay. Then how did you create these?
We took some sticks
Hmm.
and we made some seeds and we glued it. Now,
Seeds?
to make seeds,
Yeah.
you need this.
Okay.
Well, it's looking like a
Can I take a square also instead of this?
yeah.
Okay.
And then you take this.
Yeah.
And you put it there and you cut the extra part.
Oh, you
and
have to
it's
glue
done.
it like this.
Yeah.
Wow, this is easy to make.
And it is all done. And you take some sticks, you just glue it and it's done.
Right.
You glue it to there and then when you now share when
Yeah,
you're
can
on
you
it,
just switch it on and show it to me? Wow, this is interesting. Thank you, Twisha, for this interesting thing.
you're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
And for more fun tricks with me and learn some fun